Okay, today we're going to talk about a few small things that you can do to improve your stream and get more followers. All these are changes that you can make to your Twitch channel for free. Let's get to it. If you enjoyed the video and find it helpful, remember to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for instant notifications on when the next video drops. As a reminder, I also stream to Twitch 3 days a week. I'll leave a link to my channel in the description. Without further ado, let's get started. Number 1 is to make a catchy stream title. This may seem silly at first, but really think about it for a second. When you're browsing on Twitch looking for someone new to watch, a lot of the stream titles are like Vibin' Come Chill or Warzone Catch These Dubs. I even see people putting the title of the game in the description when Twitch already puts the title of the game that you're playing. These are either way overdone or they're just not thought out and they don't stand out amongst the crowd. You'll see bigger streamers do this because they can afford to, because they will get a following really no matter what title that they put. And even then, their titles tend to be funny and witty. Take the effort to take some time and come up with a catchy stream title. Whatever it is, just take the time and think it out. It's not going to take you more than a minute or two. It may seem small, but it can make a difference in someone clicking on your stream versus someone else's. Number 2 is to set up commands. The first thing that came to mind was actually to set up channel points for your Twitch channel, but it occurs to me that you can only do that if you're an affiliate on Twitch. I want these tips to be applicable to all streamers, not just those that are affiliated. But you can still make custom commands and other interactive features for your stream. You can set up commands by going through Streamlabs or by using Stream Elements. And if you don't know what a command is, it's when you put an exclamation point and then a series of characters next to it that will trigger the bot inside Streamlabs or Stream Elements to actually give it some output. And there's actually a lot more functionality within these bots than you probably think. They can be used for way more than just commands. You can make commands also to draw people to your social media accounts. My suggestion is that you actually just go on to Streamlabs or Stream Elements or whatever site it is that you use for your bot and just play around with the functionality. It may seem like such a small, silly thing, but the more interactivity that you can offer between your stream and your community, the better. Streaming is, after all, about the interaction with the streamer. You can also accompany these commands by using a service called Trigger Fire. Trigger Fire can be used for when you redeem channel points on a stream and it plays a GIF or a sound bit as a result. There's an option within Triggerfire to trigger it based off of a command. If you'd like to check out Triggerfire, I have a video for it right here. Number 3 is to have alerts turned on. Please have your follow alerts turned on, even if it's just that default zombie one. You know the one I'm talking about, the one that is defaulted in Streamlabs. It's better than nothing. New followers want that acknowledgement of their support. It's a small detail, but this is important. Number 4 is to fill out your About Me section. One of the worst things that I see is when I go into a new streamer that I would like to check out and I like what I'm seeing and I scroll down to learn a little bit more about them and there's nothing there and it's just an empty page. If you're a streamer and you want to build up that community, people have to get to know you. You can't just rely on your on-screen personality. Very similar to a job interview, the first thing that people are going to check is your resume or your About Me section. The attention span in today's society is simply too short to expect people to sit around your stream for 10, 15, or 20 minutes to get a chance to know you. If you give them a little bit of info right off the bat, it may give them that quick determination whether they want to stay or leave. It only has to be done one time until you have to update something. It'll only take you a little bit of time to do this, so please take the time and fill it out. It makes a big difference. Also, do not be one of those people that only has a donation panel on their About Me section. The first thing that's going to pop into someone's head if they see this is that, man, they're only in this for the money. They really don't care about me or my support. There's nothing wrong if you do want to make money as a streamer or turn streaming into a career, but your focus early on should be building up the community. The money will come with time and hard work. The last one is to use Twitch extensions. Now, these are free extensions that are offered by Twitch. There are a lot of great ones that will improve interactivity within your streams, from sound alerts that you can play using points or fun interactive avatars on your stream, which is actually an extension called Stream Avatars. Setting up these extensions are super easy and usually only take up a matter of seconds. You simply need to go to the creator dashboard and then click extensions. From there, you can browse the entire library of extensions. And that's it. Those are 5 things that you can do to improve the quality of your stream and get more followers. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for instant notifications on when the next video drops. Share this video with your new streamer friends and give them that boost that you may not have had. As a reminder, I do stream to Twitch 3 days a week. A big part of our channel is helping new streamers. Every Saturday, we have a segment called Talkin' Twitch, where we talk about what's going on within the world of Twitch, as well as giving out tips for new streamers on how to grow your streams and your community. Be sure to follow. I'm going to leave a link to my Twitch in the description. I'll catch you next time.